In addition to understanding what Move to iOS does, how to use it, and what it transfers, we also need to know how long does Move to iOS take, because no one wants to spend a long time doing this work. If you feel that Move to iOS is taking too long, we also have the most time-saving alternative. Part 1. How to fix Move to iOS is slow or taking forever. Method 1. Check Wi-Fi network connection. You can check the speed of your Wi-Fi connection first. After all, Wi-Fi connection is a very important factor in determining the speed of file transfer. Method 2. Delete unnecessary data on the source device. Since the size and amount of data to be transferred determines how long it will take to transfer, and Move to iOS cannot selectively move data, you can delete some unwanted photos and videos from your source device before transferring. Method 3. Boot devices. If the problem is still not resolved, you can try holding down the power key to restart the device, and try following the guide again to transfer your data from Android to iOS. In general, restarting any device can improve the performance of that device. Part 3. Time-saving alternative to Move to iOS. Mobican Transfer for Mobile Win and Mac is an excellent data transfer tool that does a great job of switching data between mobile devices. It has several advantages as below that make it the best alternative to Move to iOS. Now, you can click the download button to install this tool and follow the steps below to see how it works. Step 1. Connect your devices to a computer. Step 2. Confirm the position of your devices. Step 3. Transfer data from Android to iPhone.